Hey folks, Vic here with your weekly video for August the 7th of 2020, and I'll put our social media, let me get that here. I'll just put that up here, information here, because one thing you really should do is subscribe to our YouTube channel, because Darko is now posting like short little vlogging videos they're great little nuggets of information, and you'll get a chance to really know him much better. I did something a little different this week. Rather than showing different trades that we took, I actually got in front of the camera. How about that, right? And I recorded a very short story about a trader who struggled quite badly, like most people. But boy, did he ever come out of it well. And I'll tell you all about it because I want you to feel some hope and some inspiration. But most importantly, I want you to hear exactly what this guy did to overcome his struggles to become a very, very good trader. And I'll even tell you his name. All right, just listen to this. Okay, so I had some guy, his name was Darko, who you've probably heard about, right? And Darko joined the Coach's Corner actually quite a few years ago, and he's sort of been in and out of it, and he's gone off and tried other stuff over all of those years, and checked out other things and that. And his whole journey is very well documented in his podcast. You really got to go hear his podcast if you want to get a sense of what he went through and the struggles he went through. Just go to like Spotify or something like that, and you can search for trading Forex trading coach podcast, and you'll find out. It's got about 20 some odd podcasts in there. So after kind of going around trying other different things, which is kind of normal, but not profitable, he came back to the Coach's Corner, and he came to me and he said, "Look, Vic, I'm done with this. Like either I do something now to get profitable, or I'm just going to quit this whole thing. What would you suggest that I do?" And I just said to him, "Listen, what do you see easily? Like when you look at a chart, you've been around the block now. What do you see easiest?" And he said, "Well, I see support resistance very easily," and he's really good at reading that. "And I see the Vic trade." It was an old pattern that I came up with a while back. Actually, Darko modified it a bit too. But anyway, and I said, "Well, you know what? Trade that. Trade the Vic trade. Trade it for an entire year, and trade it on one currency pair." And I figured that was the end of it. I'd never see Darko again, because that's very hard to do. Well, you don't know Darko. This guy has got like incredible tenacity. He doesn't quit. If he's so determined, it's ridiculous. And you won't find somebody with a better work ethic. Like he'll just do anything to make it happen. Well, anyway, the long story short is he did that for an entire year. And in fact, he insisted that I look at his account every month, his real trading account, not a demo, his real live trading account every month, so that he'd be accountable for what happened, okay? And so we did that, and after a year of doing this, he was very profitable. He had he had winning months every single month except one. He lost 0.5% of his account every other month. Actually, one of his months, and I'm going to say it was September, and Dark will be watching this, you can correct me, but I think it was September of 2017, just before he joined the Coach's Corner as the lead coach. He had that month was about an 18% return in a single month. Okay. He also went through a 2-week period in August that year with no trades, nothing set up, but he had the discipline to stand aside and do nothing and just wait, right? And it's frustrating and it's hard to do, but he did it. I'm just pretty amazed at what he did. And I'll tell you something, it's not easy to do. It takes a lot of discipline and focus and determination, and most people just won't do it. Not that they can't do it, most people just won't do it, which is too bad, because they're never gonna know. So anyway, the main lesson here is that if you're not making it right now, you got to do something differently, and that's basically what I told Darko back then. You got to change what you're doing here, because you can't keep on this path. And I deeply, deeply believe that if you just focus on one thing, like I pointed out with Darko, that you're going to give yourself a fantastic chance to do well in this business. Okay. And that might be, what I told Darko to do. It might be one style of trading. I see people they try to be they try to do a position trading, they try to do swing trading, they try to be a day trader, they try to be a scalper all at once. It's ridiculous. They're never going to do that, doing it that way. So that's really what you want to kind of start thinking about, okay? So yeah, this is, I hope you found that interesting, inspiring. And as you know, Darko is now our lead coach. He has proven to himself that he can be a consistently profitable trader. I mean, you don't go for what's it been, probably 4 to 5 years now that he's been consistently profitable. And then he's been doing the coach's corner for over 2.5 years now. Extremely good trading. And the most important thing, he's brought along so many other CC members to consistent profitability. That's what we just love to see. Actually, if you look in the comments, in the text below this video, or in the email that you received, you'll see I put a couple of comments in there just from yesterday, this yesterday. So we get them all the time. We have such a fantastic membership and kind people in there, and huge kudos to Darko for what he's done for the service and that. And yeah. Anyway, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this. And I'll see you guys all again at the end of next week with another weekly trade video. Thanks so much.
So now what? Well, listen, if that story resonates with you, or you find that you too are just having constant struggles with your trading and you can't get any traction, what better person to listen to than a guy like Darko, who has been where you are and actually probably gone through far worse than what you have. But he has now become a truly great trader, and most importantly, a very good teacher, and I know that he can help anyone who really wants to be helped. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. We really appreciate it when you do that, because it helps our YouTube rankings so we can reach more people. And also be sure to subscribe to our channel and click that little bell when you do, so that you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. And as I say, Darko is going to be posting more short little videos, so you'll want to be sure to catch those as well. So let's leave it at that. Thank you so much for listening in. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you next week with another video. Take care.